Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. It's your boy IP Boys. So today I'm coming up with this sweet strategy, this good strategy I'm about to show you, and it's also a secret about this market or this strategy. So before we get started, I will show you things you need to set up before trading this. You can also watch my first video about binary strategy. The first video I did, you can check it up. That's a good strategy you can use to make money on this broker. So hold on so that you can see what I'm doing. So before you do this, you need to split your screen. Download a app for Windows Split, 2 Windows Split. If your phone or your Android device has the application, you can also use it for this. So using a Windows Split, you need to upload your LDP binary analyzer, which is this. And once you upload it, you need to go to difference. We are trading on difference. That's our watch up time difference, which is this, the one I'm clicking now. Okay, so once you get it ready, you zoom it a little so that you'll be seeing what you are doing. So you come up to your binary account. So today I'm using Derive app or Derive account to show you this, so that you can see it more clearly and you will understand what I'm doing. You can also trade with binary on this. That's very simple. With binary, if you have a good network, you can also trade with binary on this. So on setting up trading strategy for Derive or binary, we trade on volatility 75 index, which is this. On match difference, we trade on match and difference. Last digit prediction, we are going for 0, only 0, because I know in volatility 75 index 0 doesn't come twice, unless if the signal has lost for that day. But I knew what I'm doing and how I do it. Like 0 prediction, that's what you are trading. Then you come up with 2 ticks duration, 2 ticks, which is this, is already here. You can add up the amount you want to trade. You can check the amount. Please don't be greedy, and don't trade what you can afford to lose. Please note that. So we are going for 2 ticks. Press OK. So it's set now. So what I'm showing you guys, you can use the other side to view you can see how the market, it goes to 2, it goes to 1, it goes to other numbers 4, and it can go anywhere. So this is it. It's still on. Check that rate, and it is now on. You can see how it's going 8. You can see. So that is it. So we are, for a better view, I'm using this one now. So on this strategy, on this secret strategy, please note, you need to be fast. Although we are not trading on speed index or any other speed index, you need to be fast. Once you see 0 on L, as you see 0 come up now, purchase immediately. Don't mind what, just purchase. You want the trade. So since today I have been studying this, I've been watching, keeping an eye on markets, I've been recording, checking what is coming up. It was very, very successful and excellent. That's why I came up to make this video and show you guys. place. Without wasting much of your time, I will show you this. So now you need to focus on LODP. That's where you are trading from, not on volatility 75. You are using match and difference to trade volatility 75. That's the secret. So once you see 0 on last digit on the match and difference, you need to purchase on difference. Because why I said that is, once 0 appears on match and difference on the last digit here on 2 ticks, it will only come up with difference number. No, 0 will not appear on it. 0 will not appear once you purchase on last digit 0 on LODP. On 2 ticks, 0 will not appear. So check out what I'm showing you now. So we wait for on LODP. Just keep an eye on LODP. Once you see 0, click on difference for your payout. You want the trade immediately on 2 ticks only. So 0 came up. Once 0 came up, I'll read it from here. Just this red dot on difference, red dot market that is moving up and down. Just check the last digit there. We are trading on last digit. So once 0 come up, I'll read up on here and tell you numbers that came up when you trade on match and difference 0. So we wait. 3, 7, that's what is coming up. 1. So I will wait. Once you come up, I'll read up here, because 0, 2, 8. That's what came up on drive. Once you click 0 on 2 ticks, the two number that appears will be these numbers that I mentioned. 0 will not come up again. That is it, because I know in volatility 75 index, 0 doesn't come up twice, or less. Even though it will come up, it's only once in the market before it runs around and come back again. You have made your profit or your percentage and go out, wait for another day for trading. That is it. If you understand clearly what I'm saying, you can also check my description. I will write it down there. Check my descriptions there. You can also subscribe, like and comment. You can also share. So we wait. 7, 0. Okay. 1, 3. That's what came up on volatility index. On 2 ticks, we wait for another 0 so that I will show you this clearly. Nine, 1, 6, 1, 3, 9. That's what is coming up. 1 0 come up. I will read it up on volatility 75 index. You can also use your eye and check what I'm doing here. So these long trades, we haven't seen any 0 here. We have seen ordinary numbers. 0 came up. 7, 8. 7 and 8. That's the 2 ticks. 7 and 8 only. 0 come up. 0, 4. You see what I'm telling you about that 2 ticks? Because these 2 ticks will help you a lot. You might fall into 0 in 1 tick. In the next tick that will complete it 2 ticks, it will then go to another number. which is ordinary number, like from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That is it. That's the secret. That's the secret. I've been trading with this. I've been monitoring this trade, and it is working, and it is working very, very well. So I will wait for you. As I'm talking, you might check what I'm doing. 0 2 8. You see, on 2 ticks, 2 and 8 came up on volatility 75 index under 2 ticks. That is it. It's very simple. Just be fast. Once you see 0, click difference, purchase difference, and wait for your payout. That is it. Do 0 3 2. You see it? Just click and wait for your payout. Very, very simple. If you understand what I've been explaining since, it's very simple to do if you will understand it very well. Please subscribe on this channel for more tutorials, guys. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.